Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about WebinarFuel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a timer into your WebinarFuel registration form? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a countdown timer to your WebinarFuel registration form anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that you always want to create a sense of urgency so people join in on your webinars. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a timer into one of your WebinarFuel registration forms, here on the top, you're going to click on Webinars. Once you do that, here on the left, you're going to see all the different webinars you're running. So just choose the webinar that you want to add a timer into. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu, and you want to click here, registration widgets. Okay, so here on the top left, you're going to click on this drop-down menu and then choose whichever registration process you're working with. So for example, modal right here. Okay, so now you can see the different steps of this registration form. So first they have to go to a button. After that, they go to the first step, which is their email. After that, this one, they're asking which city they're in. And then the next step, they're going to complete their registration. So to add a timer, you can't add it onto the button, but these other steps, you can add the timer. So for example, if they get here to the registration to enter their full name, their phone number, and then choose their session time, maybe we want to put a little bit more urgency on that. But what we can do is over here on the right, once we click onto the step up here, you're going to see these three options, and you want to click on elements. Once you click on elements, you want to look for this one that looks like a clock. It's called timer. Go ahead and grab that one and just drag it over to wherever you want it to show up. So I'm going to add it here at the top. Okay, so now we have a timer. So you want to click into the timer when you have this green box around it, and then all these options are going to pop up here on the right. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on type, and then you want to choose the type. So we can do evergreen, or if you want, you can go ahead and sync it, or you can do a fixed date. So maybe on, 1 week from now, we can go ahead and click here, set this for 1 week out at 9 p.m. This registration is going to expire, or you can click here and do evergreen. So let's say they only have, 2 days to register, and it's going to start timing. Now you can see that we only have the timer in this step. So if we click over here, we can do the same thing. We can add a timer in. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a countdown timer into your WebinarFuel registration page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.